Good morning. Today I just want to show you how to make a face mask or face covering using a regular scarf or bandana. I'm sure most people have these things in their house. Like me, I wear them as headbands all the time. It's one of my go-to styles. But today I'm just going to show you easily how to make them. So this one you can pretty much get from a dollar store. They're like $1 and most dollar stores will have them. This is just a regular bandana or scarf that you use as a head tie or a neck scarf, and I've had that for a long time. And this is one I got doing the cancer walk. It's very colorful, but I just want to show you more or less how easily it is to make one. So I fold it in half first, just flatten it out, fold it in half again. I add a regular rubber band to each side, 1, 2, and then I tuck one side into the next side. And I'll just bring it around. That's the first one. I pretty much do the same thing again with the other one. I fold it once, fold it twice, and this time I'm going to show you how to do it with a regular hair tie instead of a rubber band. This go around your ear. I'm just showing you it goes around your ear. So if you prefer a tighter hairband or a looser hairband or a rubber band, it really doesn't matter. You can use elastic too if you have large enough pieces that you can cut into circles and tie. And once again, and then if you have a guy in your life and you have a nice big scarf, it doesn't have to be this color. You can also make one from this. It will just have more, there'll be a bigger scarf or a bigger face. And once again, I do the same thing. Add a rubber band to this side, add a rubber band to that side, and tuck it in. Anything that a square or a rectangle you have, you can pretty much make you. See, it's for somebody with a bigger face, so this can go really high. Just demonstrating that. But I also want to say today is Palm Sunday, and we have to know in this time of the pandemic, we can't have fear, and we have to remember that we have to use wisdom to guide our life right now. And I'm just going to leave you with a couple verses, Proverbs 1:7 and Proverbs 2:6. And we have to protect ourselves with the armor and the breastplate. And Ephesians 6:11 and Ephesians 6:14 give us those verses to read. And on Palm Sunday, it's when Jesus rode on a donkey through the town, and they put palms for him to ride on and shouted, Hosanna in the highest. Just remember who we serve. Thank you for watching, and have a beautiful Palm Sunday.